Hello, my name is Shirley White, and I teach game and simulation. My undergraduate degree is in special education, deaf and hard of hearing. In addition, I have a master's degree in mathematics and a master's in applied computer science, all from Illinois State University. I've been teaching for over 30 years, including 10 years as a programming instructor at Illinois State University. This is my 6th year at New Smyrna Beach High School, and next year will be my last. My last year at NSB and my last year of teaching. It will be difficult to let go, but it is time, and I look forward to traveling the world post-COVID. I'm really disappointed that you cannot visit my classroom, so let me show you around a bit. As you can see, I have lots of gaming stuff around my room. I pick up a lot of stuff at conferences. I purchase a lot of stuff using my CAPE funds. CAPE funds come from students who have passed certification. I run a game club on Wednesdays from 3:30 to 5:30, where we use our Xbox, PS4s, Switches, and other consoles you'll see sitting around my classroom. I also run a club just for girls called Girls Who Code on Thursdays from 3:30 to 5:30. In that club, we look at some simple programming, but more importantly, the club becomes a support for the girls where we talk about how to be successful in high school and beyond. We talk, we learn, we play, and sometimes we eat. If you have a daughter, I hope you'll encourage her to join us for Girls Who Code on Thursdays. I know you're really here to learn about this elective called Game and Sim, so let's do that. In years past, I've been asked why I teach game programming and what will it do for my students. The answer is easy. Most jobs in the future will be IT related, and a large number of those will require at least a limited understanding of programming. By offering to teach students to create video games, I have more than 150 students interested each year. If I simply offered AP programming, I might get 20 students interested. If I have to use gaming as a carrot to get those students interested in programming or just interested in a career in IT, I'm excited about doing that. After all, what's wrong with a little bribe? It works. This is a 4-year elective program that moves through foundations, design, programming, and our 4th year is multi-user programming. 3rd and 4th years are offered as honors classes only. This program is mainly project-based. That means I do very little lecturing. Technology changes so quickly, it's just not practical to use a textbook. Most of the year, students will be watching and following online tutorials posted on YouTube. I typically provide a notes handout that students are required to complete and submit for a grade. There are specific checkpoints for formative grades also. Summative grades typically come from the completed project. Every year, students have an opportunity to pass an industry-level certification test. Each year, students are introduced to an industry-level software for creating games. Students get really excited when they realize so many of the games they love were created with the same software that they are using in class. Students are required to move through the program in course order, as later courses build upon knowledge from the previous. At the end of each year, students create a video game of their own design, and each year the games get more and more intricate. My favorite 2 weeks of the year are the last 2, when I load all the games onto each computer in my room and students play and evaluate each other's creation. This is when students really begin to understand how exciting this program can be. And I believe this is a large part of what keeps them coming back year after year. For more details about the program, you can find my syllabus and contact information, as well as all assignments and past PowerPoints posted on Canvas. Your child knows how to access it. If you have not already done so, you should purchase a pair of wired earbuds to be used in class. We don't have Bluetooth, unfortunately. Students can leave their earbuds in the room, safely stored in a bag with their name on it, or they can bring them each day. I do have headphones that we sanitize after each use, but it would be best if students have their own. In addition, students can opt to bring their own mouse and keyboard, which I will also gladly keep for them. And we can always use wet wipes. I hope you'd enjoyed this short glimpse into the world of game and sim. I pray that someday we will get back to normal, or the new definition of normal, and maybe next year you can visit my room for real. And I hope so, since it will be the last for me, but not the last for the program. If you know of a teacher who might like to step into my shoes, steer them to NSB in the spring of 2022. Have a great evening.